In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic replies in Microsoft 365 Outlook web app. This is a really handy feature, especially if you're going to be away from your email for a while and need to keep your contacts informed. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. You'll want to locate the sign in button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin accessing your Outlook account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Just take a moment here to ensure your credentials are correct so you can seamlessly access your account. Once you're logged in and your inbox is loaded, go ahead and direct your attention to the upper right corner again. You should see a gear icon which represents your settings. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Within this menu, you'll want to find and select the option labeled Account. This is where we get to the nitty-gritty of setting up your automatic replies. Now that you're in the Account section, navigate to Automatic Replies. This is the central hub for configuring your out-of-office messages. First, you'll need to enable automatic replies. There should be a straightforward toggle switch to turn them on. Once activated, you have the ability to customize the details. You have the option to specify a time period for these replies. Setting a start and end date is particularly useful as it allows you to automatically disable replies once you're back at your desk, saving you the effort of remembering to turn them off manually. Next, let's move on to crafting the message itself. Be sure to communicate clearly in your automatic reply. A simple example could be an out-of-office message that includes the dates you'll be unavailable and perhaps an alternative contact person if it's urgent. You might say, "Thank you for your email. I am currently out of the office and will return on your return date. Please contact alternative contact for immediate assistance." After you've entered your message, review it to make sure everything looks good. This includes checking for any typos and ensuring the contact information is correct. Once you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and hit the Save button. Saving your configuration will activate your automatic replies, and you can rest assured knowing everyone who emails you during your absence will be informed accordingly. And there you have it, you have now successfully set up automatic replies in the Microsoft 365 Outlook web app. This simple yet powerful tool will help you manage communications even when you're not around. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that like button if this was helpful and consider subscribing for more tech tips like this. Have a fantastic day.